Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for being here. I'm very excited to show you my very simple makeup tutorial. I'm really just wanting to get right back into this as well because I haven't really done a video in a really long time and I feel bad because I know that people are wanting to see videos from me. Now that I'm not really into doing makeup, working in makeup anymore, it kind of is now pushing me to be even more creative just because, you know, I was kind of looking at, you know, makeup as making money. And right now I can really just focus on the creativity of it all, which I've lost a while ago. So I think now this is kind of almost a restart, a rebrand to my channel because now my creativity is gonna come out again and I'm really wanting to focus on this. So if you wanna go ahead and learn about my, you know, quick, simple makeup tutorial, please continue watching. All right, my loves, let's get into some makeup. I'm actually gonna start off with a primer, but the primer that I'm gonna be using is the Farsali Liquid Glass. So this actually I got in BoxyCharm that I really loved. But then, you know what, they started getting kind of dinky with their stuff and I canceled it. I was like, nah, you know what, I pay too much money for this and I don't like most of the things. But I really love this Farsali Liquid Glass because I'm dry, so this helps with my hydration. For my pore problematic areas, like my nose, I'm gonna be using the NYX Pore Filler, which actually I really do love this one a lot. It really does fill the pores. It comes out a little like chunky, which I don't like, but I kind of just press it in my fingers like this and it kind of comes all together, which is great. But I really love that it fills pores pretty well and it helps to mattify. It doesn't control oils though, so that's what I've noticed. But at the same time, I really still do love it on my nose. All right, jumping into foundation, I'm actually gonna be using the Beauty Blender Bounce Foundation. This one is in color 2.50. I didn't think I was gonna really love this foundation just because it is on the matte side, but it does stay really well. Just go ahead and prep your skin with anything that's hydrating, just like your moisturizer, even your primer like I did, because I feel like this is a little bit more comfortable when you've already prepped your skin with those hydrating items underneath it. I'm gonna use a Y6 brush by Morphe, and I'm basically just gonna go ahead and take a little bit right on the brush and apply it onto my face. I'm actually gonna use the microfiber sponge. I don't know if you guys ever have used this, but it literally is a dream. I absolutely love this sponge. It doesn't absorb a lot of product, that's why I absolutely love it. And I don't actually fill it with water, I actually just use my Fix Plus spray. I'm gonna put a little bit on here, a little bit foundation on here. Now I'm gonna go ahead and smooth everything out with a little bit of extra coverage. To contour, I'm gonna use the Morphe Dimension Effects Contour Stick. This is in number EFFECT17, so whatever that means. I actually used this contour stick a couple of times already and I actually really like it. I really like the color of it and the blendability of it as well. And just to blend out your contour, you just want to keep blending and blending and blending. I just pat it out and that kind of helps to make it as natural as possible. And don't worry about like going too far when it comes to your contour because once we go ahead and use like our concealer to brighten everything up, that's actually going to help to blend everything. So this is just to give some dimension in the skin after we've kind of already evened it all out to one skin tone. Next I'm going to be using the e.l.f. 16-Hour Camo Concealer to give me some brightness underneath the eyes. I'm actually going to be using the microfiber sponge to go ahead and blend that all out. The only thing I don't like these sponges for is to bake or to use like for your powder because it actually bunches up onto the sponge and it doesn't come off onto the skin. So So that's the only thing that I don't love about it. So what I do is I just use a regular beauty blender to go ahead and bake. I'm gonna actually jump into the Tarte. This is the Park Avenue Princess contour palette, which I actually got in one of my BoxyCharms as well too. See, after that, that's what I'm trying to say. There was a couple things that were absolutely amazing. This is the one that I actually wanted, and they actually sent me an email and they were like, oh, which one would you like? And I'm like, oh, I really want that. And so I waited for this one. I really, really, really wanted this one so bad. And then, you know, a couple of other things, but towards the end, there were shipping issues and I just couldn't handle it anymore. So I said, nope, no more. So I'm actually gonna go in with the Enhance. This is this color, and just to kind of set all of the concealer, the lighter concealer that I used. I'm actually using a Y11 by Morphe for the powder. I really love it because of the taperness of it, and then you can get really, really close underneath the eye right there. Next, I'm just gonna use the Anastasia translucent powder, just a tiny, tiny bit with a really fluffy brush. Let's go with the Morphe Y1, and I'm lightly just dipping it into here. And I'm just gonna kind of touch the areas that I kind of haven't touched with powder yet, just to kind of help set. I'm gonna go back into the Park Avenue Princess contour palette, and I'm actually gonna use Angel right here. I'm gonna use a Y3 brush by Morphe. Just gonna kind of go all around the tip of the taper of that with the bronzing color. And I'm just gonna go ahead and kind of go over those same areas that I used for the cream contour to kind of help enhance them for a little bronze moment. Ugh, I need a haircut so bad. Okay, I think that'll do. Don't judge my hair. Don't judge my hair, guys. I mean, it's really cool, but this is literally what it looks like right out of the shower. Well, I mean, it's dry because it was under the hat, but this is how much hair I have, guys, and I need a haircut and maybe blonde. I don't know. I haven't decided what I want to do with it yet. Pull my skin up a little bit. Eliminate my forehead wrinkles a little bit. We're gonna have a Botox moment very soon. Okay. Cool. I'm gonna jump into the Too Faced Natural Face Palette, and I think I'm gonna go ahead and use this color. This is Pink Sand, so this is gonna be for my blush. And I'm gonna jump in there with a E4 brush. For my highlight, I'm actually going to use a M510 Morphe brush, and I'm going to be using the Jaclyn Hill highlighting palette in the Flash. So this, I kind of like to mix colors, so I'm going to actually mix, I'm going to mix this one and this one today, because I usually mix the other two together, but why not? Let's try it. So what I do is I kind of just go back and forth like this, and that kind of helps to blend them a little bit. So this just makes it a little bit more versatile, because, you know, sometimes when you have a highlighting palette, what ends up happening is you find one that you absolutely love, and then you just keep using that one over and over and over again, and then you forget about the other ones. So, you know, I always like to kind of mix them up so I can kind of get, you know, diverse colors, you know, custom colors that I can kind of like use all the time. But I mean, as you can see, this highlighter is like the bomb. Do people still say that? The bomb? Yeah, so it is to die for. Yeah. It's really good. I like it. I don't really have any cheekbones, so I gotta kind of like pretend and kind of create them. So yes, that's what I'm looking for. Okay, so a little bit here because I'm a YouTuber and I, you know, have to do it just like them. Oh, my Cupid's bow. Ting! Cool. Okay. A little bit there, a little bit there, blah, blah, blah. Yes. Love. Love, love, love. Okay. Right now, now that I'm kind of mostly done with my face, actually I think I'm completely done with my face now, other than my lips and my eyes, I'm gonna go ahead and use Fix Plus Spray to add the hydration back into all the powdered products that I put on my face. So now I'm actually gonna focus on my eyebrows. This is my eyebrow color when I'm just using powder. I do use the Dip Brow by Anastasia in the medium brown. I'm literally sitting here sweating. It is so hot with all these lights. I'm just not used to it anymore. I mean, I haven't done a video in I don't know how long. I'm gonna be using the Too Faced Shadow Insurance. This is the eyeshadow primer. And honestly, I'm just gonna do a very simple look today just because I'm not doing anything today. I'm just playing. Just got bored and wanted to play. Play with some makeup. Because I haven't done that for a while, so this is gonna have to become a routine. So I like to use kind of like a flat brush to apply my eyeshadow primer. So I'm gonna jump into the Tati Beauty. I actually haven't even opened this at all. It just has that as well. So this is the Tati Beauty palette. So I'm just gonna go ahead and go with the Matte Soothe, which is gonna be this one right here. I'm gonna start off with this one, literally all over the eye. And I'm using a 217 brush by MAC, an old 217 brush, not the new ones. I'm literally just kind of going all over the eye with this. This is gonna kind of be a base, but what I love about it is it's a very neutral / slightly warm color, which literally looks great on everybody. I think I'm gonna go ahead and jump into Ritual, and this is the darker brown that's in the palette. And I'm gonna focus it more on my corners using the exact same brush, just literally touching Ritual. And just kind of giving it a little bit of a soft, smoky moment. Okay, now I'm going to use a flatter brush, and I'm going to jump into this really pretty metallic Story. This one's actually this one. I actually really think that's like absolutely gorgeous. And just press it onto my lid. And I'm just going right up to the crease and then right up to where the dark color Ritual is, and just kind of patting it up to there and just kind of helping it to blend together. I'm going to use the Roller Lash by Benefit. This is just to coat my lashes first before putting on any bulb. Actually, I don't think I'm going to put falsies today. I think I really like my lashes right now. I think that helped tremendously. Okay, very simple, very easy. And then I'm just going to do like a nude lip. So this is actually Too Faced Melted Matte in Cool Girl. So I've never actually worn this one before, so let's give it a whirl. These don't smell good at all. Ooh, yeah, I do like it. Yes, I actually really like it. I didn't think I was. I thought it was gonna be maybe a little bit too nude, but no, it's cute. It just, they stink so bad. Oh my god, but it's really pretty. I really like it, and it doesn't feel like super duper dry. So again, last but not least, Fix Plus. Alright, simple makeup tutorial. I try to keep it as simple as possible, you know, just because we're busy all the time, and you know, like this is something that I'd probably do like if I was going out to, I don't know, you know, have wine with the girls or whatever. Very simple, very classy, and it's not gonna take that much time at all out of your day. So, you know, kind of something to go to the office with. You don't have to have falsies all the time, you know, you don't have to have a bright red lip all the time. But this is something that I think a lot of you can do for sure. And, you know, if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Please don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed. And let me know what else you guys want to see. I have a couple of other ideas that I want to do when it comes to videos. I have a lot of makeup that I haven't even opened yet, so I think that's one of the ideas that I want to do as well too. And I was also thinking, like, you know, highlight and contouring as well, you know, because everybody likes a good highlight and contour. And a couple of other ideas as well, so stay tuned. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much for all your support. Love you. Mwah.